Hi students, it is always good to solve more and more numerical in order to get good speed and accuracy. This way you can mastery over high speed calculations, which is very much needed in JEE or NEET kind of examinations. You know, in JEE, questions with answers in numerical values are also being asked. There you are supposed to get answers in decimal places. In NEET also, due to more number of questions, you may need good calculation speed in physics and physical chemistry especially. But when you practice more numerical at home, then sometimes you may get stuck up with few questions in rectification of errors, which may cause loss of your valuable time. There you may take help of technology and can speed up yourself. Remember, solve numerical at your own. I mean, without taking help of any device like calculator or mobile phone. But rectification of errors can be done with the help of some calculating devices. Few students use calculator while few students use mobile for this purpose. But I strongly recommend not to use mobile, as it has its own disadvantages of distraction and loss of time. In one of my videos, I discussed about solving numerical smartly with good efficiency by using a scientific calculator for error spotting or verification of calculations. Many students then asked me about the important functions in a scientific calculator which can help in saving time. So in this particular video, I'll cover the important features of one of the most widely used calculator, Casio FX991EX ClassWiz scientific calculator. With this scientific calculator, you can verify not only all basic calculations, but also you can verify many complex calculations also. Here I am giving you some examples. You can perform logarithmic calculations to any base with this device. These calculations are very useful in case of physical chemistry and physics. You find applications of trigonometry everywhere in physics. This calculator enables you to do trigonometric calculations very easily. Prime factorization is a very important profile in P&C. Factorial calculations and calculations based on NCR, NPR are required almost in every questions of P&C, probability and binomial theorem. Using FX991EX ClassWiz Casio calculator, you can easily perform these calculations and can rectify your errors, and that definitely saves your time. In fact, lot of time. Fraction to decimal conversion, unit conversion are also very good features of this device. You know, calculations based on vector algebra are not only required in maths but are required in physics also. This calculator is enabled with vector calculation feature, and that definitely brings you out of those troubling moments when you get stuck up in errors related to vector calculations. Using this calculator, you can perform differentiation and definite integration also, which are the core of calculus and are of great applications in physics. You can use this device to rectify your errors in matrix calculations and complex number calculations also. FX991EX ClassWiz has all these basic functions, which are very much required for studies. Even you can solve inequalities and polynomial equations using FX991EX ClassWiz Casio calculator. This calculator has a very special feature of QR code generation, using which you can visualize graphs of polynomial expressions. But my dear students, remember, solve numerical at your own. I mean, without taking help of any device like calculator. But rectification of errors can be done with the help of some calculating device. Whenever you get stuck up with few questions due to lot of calculations, then you may take help of this calculator in rectification of errors, which may save your valuable time. This way, using technology in a smarter way, you may be faster and may solve more number of numerical. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best.